Okay, so this is the most searched into YouTube. So we have the usual. We have ASMR, music, Markiplier, which is gaming again, whatever these are. Fortnite, video games again. So Joe Rogan, entertainment again. Well, and some knowledge. Um, um, for the most part, everything is entertainment. Mr. Beast. Okay, so all these things. So the objective is to make it so that the most searched is intelligence. Otherwise, you will not like the future at all. So why do we have to have intelligence? Because you can't be without it. It's the only asset. By the way, they don't call this the Investment Foresight Bank for nothing. I'm showing you what you can, how you can make more money, but also in turn how to make even more actual profit. Because when you're making money, you're not making profit, you're making debt. So you're going to cause the opposite effect and not even create debt through a government of intelligence. And now you're hauling these guys, absolutely hauling them. That's all. It all depends on you. So you're a corporation on the stock market. You got to act like you want to change things. So everything is based on ads. So you got to advertise everything. You want to change things, you have to advertise. So you see somebody that has a channel that should be higher up on the standings. Well, you have to advertise. You can't just sit there. You have to bring your. So we have to. What is even more precise is a coordinated intelligence government. So what that is we're all using microphones. So instead of using, so how do you innovate? Well, you have to innovate on everything. That's the objective of the game. Type it in. And so how do we innovate on ASMR? Well, we're using microphones. Okay, but you have to innovate on top of the microphones because we can't continually sell them to get this. So we have to innovate on top of the video games. Why? Because we can't keep selling things or we're going to sell our own will out. So you can't sell your own will out. You got to cause the opposite effect of selling your own will out, which is innovating all the products and ideas before our money runs out. And then everybody becomes bankrupt and we have no knowledge either. So you have no knowledge, we can't even communicate. We can't even communicate on a global scale without the government of intelligence because that's the finality corporation. You won't be able to communicate with anybody worldwide because you'll lose your access to phones. You'll lose your access to all these things because you went bankrupt. The whole species did. Anyways.